Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this type of Canva animated template in just 6 minutes. So let's start. By the way, you can buy this template from the link in the description below for just $3. So don't forget to check the description and the link in the description. First of all, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Next, what you gotta do is comment down to let me know about your opinion on my videos and if you think I have made any mistakes. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is open up a blank Canva presentation design which has nothing in it. So here we are. Then we're gonna go to uploads. From here I'm gonna insert this C image and basically I'm gonna just flip it. The next thing I need to do is go to shapes, and from here I'm going to insert a rectangle. Here we have a rectangle shape. I'm gonna go and change its color after increasing its size, and I'm gonna make sure that I choose a color which looks visible onto this picture. I'm gonna rotate it like this, put it right here, go to effects, and I'm gonna give it the first effect, which is a drop effect. Then I'm gonna insert an image and I'm gonna rotate it as same as I rotated the rectangle. And then I'm just gonna go to layer and send it and group them. Then let me just increase this rectangle and change its color, add another rectangle, give it the same drop effect, go to layer and send it to the back of this image from the layers, and then add a text box, go to layer, and we're gonna bring this image to the front. I'm gonna just duplicate my template, remove everything from it, or you can just insert a new template and add a map on it, and I'm gonna paste this same box that I used in the first slide onto this slide. And then what I'm gonna do is add this shape which is named as fast forward shape in Canva. Fast forward arrow, so you just need to add this, change its color if you want. And I'm gonna use the same image from the first one. You can change it and just paste it onto the second template. Add a new third template, duplicate the second one, and for this remove everything from it except the map, and I'm gonna increase its size. Then I'm just gonna increase the size of this map and I'm gonna put it the same location that I want to use in my template, and I'm gonna mark it and then add the same rectangle here and make sure to add your text. Let me decrease the size of my text box and I'm just gonna put it right here, and let me change this color, duplicate it using Ctrl plus D key, and basically what I'm gonna do is add dates in it, and using that I'm just gonna decrease its size as compared to the month's name, and I'm just gonna duplicate it and make sure that all of them are in a sequence. And what I'm gonna do is just duplicate these and make sure that I have all of them put together with equal distance between them, and also make sure that they have the same color. And then you're just gonna change the dates, whatever the dates you are using, just change them. And from this we're gonna make a full calendar for that month, how much ever the days we have in there. The next thing that I need to do is go to elements, and from here I'm just gonna search for arrow location, and we will find a free location arrow that I'm just gonna put on whatever the location I have with me, and I'm just gonna put it on that, and I'm gonna make sure that I change the color. Next I'm gonna go to the new slide that I had added, change its background to a dark color, add images from the other templates that I had, and I'm just gonna put it inside, and I'm gonna make sure that I increase their size like this, and here we go. Also, then I'm gonna make sure that I change these images and replace them, but you can do that after the video. So basically what I'm gonna do is insert a text box with a nice font, go to layers, send it to the back, And then I'm just gonna go to like color, and I'm just gonna change the color to white and go to transparency and decrease it as much as I can. Duplicate the same template, remove everything, remove the color as well, and then I'm just gonna add more images and a text box from this same template, but I'm gonna use the same font for all of it, so I'm just gonna use the same text box as well so that it is much faster to make the template. Next, I'm gonna add my text, add another image, and make sure that you change them. Go to layers, send it to the back of the text, and duplicate it using Ctrl plus D key, and make sure that you just add all of it and change these images as well. So after doing that, I'm gonna add my text. Here I have my text. Then go to animate, click on magic animate. If you want me to give them animation, you can just ask me in the comments and I will show you how to give these animations without magic animate. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can get this templates link from the description below, so don't forget to check it out.